children. Good morning. How are you? Fine. I'm also fine. Thank you. What we learned in the previous class? Which letter? Letter? Oh, E. Very good. You remember that? Very nice, children. Now, today we are going to learn letter F. Capital F, small f. F for fish. Okay. But before that, we will revise phonic sound. Yes, every day we revise phonic sounds. Okay. Say A, B, B, C, K, D, D, E, A, F, G, G, H, yes, H, I, E, J, J, K, K, L, M, N, O, yes, R, P, P, Q, Q, R, very good, R, S, correct, T, T, U, yes, U, O, V, W, 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 and W, X, X, Y, Y, and Z, Z. Very good, children. Clap for yourself. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Now we will revise what we learned yesterday. Yesterday means in the previous class. What we learned? Yes? E. Very good. E. E for envelope. E. Enter. E. Exercise. E. Empire. E. A. E. A. E. A. E. A. E. A. Egg. E. A. Elf. E. A. Elephant. E. A. Elbow. Okay, we have revised it. E. A. E. A. E sound is A. Now, today we are going to learn letter F. Today we are going to learn letter F. Capital F, small f. F for fish. F for fish. Okay? Now, see. See, children. F sound is okay. F, fan. F, fire. Okay. F, face. F, father. Okay. F, fish. F, frog. F, fly. Okay. It's a fly. Got that? Very good. Now we will learn how to write letter F. Okay? But before that, we will sing song. Phonic song. Okay, sing. Say with me. The frog caught a fly. The frog caught a fly. The frog caught a fly. Is the sound of F. Is the sound of F. What is the sound of F? What is the sound of F? Yes? Okay. F is the sound of F. Okay. Very good, children. Clap for yourself. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Great job. Now, we will revise A to E and learn letter F. Come on fast. Okay? Slanting line, slipping line. A. Half circle. Which half circle? Which half circle? Okay, very good. Left half circle. And then standing line. A. Then comes letter B. Very good. Standing line. Which half circle? Which half circle? Right half circle. Very good. Very good. Again, right half circle. Very good. B. Capital B. Mama B. Then given standing line. Then what ma'am will do? Again, half circle. Which curve? Right curve. Okay? Then give right curve. Okay? Then what comes after B? After B? Oh, after B comes letter C. Very good. Curve. Which curve? Right or left? Right or left? Which one? Very good. It's a left curve. Okay? Now small c. Oh, small c should be within these two blue lines. Okay? Now what comes after C? Letter D. Correct. Standing line. Oh yes. Standing line. Then curve. Which curve it is? We are moving forward. So which curve it is? To the right side. Means right curve. Okay? It's a right curve. Okay? Then standing line. Now it's a left curve. Okay? Then comes letter, after D comes letter E. Correct. Standing line. Then yes, slipping line. Then again slipping line. And again one slipping line. It's too easy, no? Yes, it's too easy. And now it's turn to write small e, which we have learned in previous class. Now, can you recall it how to write small letter E? Yes? Should I start from here? No, we have to start from the middle of this, from here. Just give one dot here between these two lines. Okay? Now, give one slipping line. Okay? Then go up, touch the blue line, and again come down and touch the blue line. It's too easy. We will revise it again. Slipping line, go up, touch the blue line, come down, touch the lower blue line. That is small And also we will revise it. Standing line. Okay? Then slipping line, slipping line. Only 2 slipping line we have to do. While writing letter E, 3 slipping line. While writing letter F, only you have to give 2 slipping lines. Got that? Very good. Now again we will write capital F. Mama F. Okay? Standing line. Okay. Then 1, 2. How many slipping lines we have to give? Only 2 slipping lines. Okay. Got that? Yes. Now, what is sound of F? Okay. Now we will learn how to write small f. Okay. C. Now how many lines we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now here from the, it's the first line, first red line. Okay. Now below this red line, give a small dot. Okay. Below this red line. And you have to make a curve. See like this. Keep a pencil here. Got that? Go up, take turn, and touch the blue line. And come down and touch this blue line. Straight line you have to draw. Okay? That is letter F. Now you have to give small slipping line. The line should be small, not too big. Okay? Small slipping line. What's this called? Letter F. Small f. Okay? Once again we will try. What we have to do? Yes? Just give dot below this red line. Now start from here. Take turn. Come down. Touch the blue line. And give slipping line. It's too easy. Yes, no? Again we will write. Give dot below the red line. Give dot below the red line. Then go up. And then come down and touch this blue line. Okay? Then what we have to do? Yes? Very good. Now we have to give small slipping line. Okay. What's this? Small f. What's this? Small f. Once again. Now do like this. Come down and touch the blue line. And on another blue line you have to give one. The line should be small. Okay? Small slipping line. Letter F. Again we will try this. Dot given. Go up. Take a touch the red line and come down and touch the blue line. And on this blue line, give one small slipping line. Over? Yes. Now you know how to write letter F? Yes. Now you can write letter F on your notebook. Yes? Very good. Okay, try it. And try how to write this within the 4 line. Okay? Within this 4 line book. Okay?